Hey wonderful viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic: why you should ditch store-bought flax meal and opt for a DIY approach. I promise it's worth the effort for your health and well-being. Today's video, I will guide you through every step of the way, from selecting the right flax seeds to the toasting process and finally grinding your own flax meal. It's empowering to take control of what goes into your body, especially when it comes to nutrients. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal with the flax meal? Well, let me share some insights. Flax seeds are nutritional powerhouse packed with delicate omega-3 fatty acids. But here's the catch. These fatty acids are sensitive to light, heat, and air. When you pick up flax meal from the store, you are taking a gamble. We often don't know how long ago those seeds were ground, and that can affect the quality of those precious omega-3s. Rancidity is a real concern. The solution for this is to make your own flax meal at home. It's simpler than you think, and I have got the complete process for you in today's video. By doing it yourself, you ensure the freshness and integrity of those essential omega-3s. So let's get started. Before grinding, it's crucial to dry toast the flax seeds because this process helps eliminate lectins and phytic acid, making your flax meal not only delicious but also easier on your digestive system. Phytic acids naturally present in seeds like flax can bind to minerals in your body, reducing their absorption. So over time, this can lead to nutrient deficiencies, and we definitely don't want that. And same thing goes with lectins. These are proteins found in many plants, and while they are not inherently bad, but they can cause issues for some people. Lectins may interfere with the absorption of nutrients and could potentially lead to digestive discomfort. Flax seeds are nutritional powerhouse and packed with delicate omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their heart-boosting benefits, promoting cardiovascular health and reducing inflammation in the body. Apart from being a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, they are also loaded with fiber, supporting a healthy digestive system and aiding in weight management. Flax seeds are known to have antioxidant properties, contributing to overall well-being and potentially reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. Flax seeds also contain phytoestrogens, a plant-based compound that mimics the effects of estrogen in the body. The specific type of phytoestrogen in flax is called lignans. For women, this can be particularly beneficial, as lignans have been associated with hormonal balance and may help alleviate symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes. However, it is important to note that while flax can be incredibly beneficial for many, individuals with certain health conditions, especially those with hormonal imbalances or estrogen-sensitive cancers, should exercise caution. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you fall into these categories. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something interesting about the flax meal. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching.